Hello students, today we'll start exercise 4.4 and today's assignment is question number 1. In question number 1 there are 7 sums. Okay, now from this exercise a problem sums will be given. Okay, from that particular problem sum you have to set up the equation first. Okay, and then after that once you have set up the equation then you have to solve them also. Okay, now the first question is add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. That means if you add to 8 times a number, you will get 60. Now, you carefully observe that there is no unknown number is written. Fine? Just 8 times a number is given. Now, in each case of question number 1, fine, you have to let the number. Okay? So, what is the number that we let? X, Y, A, B, whatever you want. Okay, so I have let the number as X. Now, according to the question, what I will do? I have to add 4 to what? 8 times the number. So, what is 8 times the number? 8 times the number means 8 into X. Okay, 6 times the number means what? 6 into X. Twice the number means what? 2X. Thrice the number means what? 3X. Understood? Now, 8 times the number, I have written C, 8X. Now, with this 8X, okay, I have to add what? 4. See, with this 8 times the number, when I will add 4, I will get what? 60. That is equals to 60. Now, this is the equation. Now, what you have to find out? The value of X. Now, you have to follow the previous methods. Okay, first of all, what you have to remove? Plus 4. For that, what you have to do? Minus 4 to both the side. So, see, I have done minus 4 to LHS also and RHS also. So, now this 4 will be removed. What will be left out? 8x. 60 minus 4 is what? 56. Now, what you have to remove? 8. For that, what you have to do? You have to divide it by 8 to both the side. So 8x by 8 is equals to 56 by 8. Remove this 8. What will left out? X. 56 divided by 8 is what? 7. So the required number is 7. Understood? Let's move on to the next question, that is sum number B. 1/5 of a number minus 4. That is, from 1/5 of a number, if you minus 4, what it will give? It will give 3. Okay, so again you have to let the number. This is the first thing that you have to do for this type of questions. Let the number be X. Now 1/5 of a number means what? 1 by 5 of X, because the number is X. So 1 by 5 of X is 1. It means 1 by 5 into X. So the result would be X upon 5. Now from this X upon 5, we have to subtract what? 4. See, I have written X upon 5 minus 4 equals to, the result you will get as 3. Now, your objective is to get the value of X. So, we have to first remove this minus 4. So, when it is minus 4, what you have to do? Plus 4 to LHS, and the same thing we have to do with RHS also. So, see, X upon 5 minus 4 plus 4 equals to 3 plus 4. Okay, this 4 will be reduced. Okay, what will be left out? X upon 5 equals to 3 plus 4 is what? 7. Now you have to remove this 5. So it is in the division form, so you have to multiply with 5. 5 will be cancelled. But the same thing you have to do in the RHS also. So X upon 5 into 5 is equals to 7 into 5. Now this 2 5 will be cancelled. So X equals to 7 5 is what? 35. So this is your required number. Okay. Now sum number C. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, what I will get? 21. So what is the first thing I will do? Let the number be X. Now, according to the question, 3/4 of a number. 3/4 of a number, with 3/4 of a number, when I will add 3, I will get what? 21. So 3/4 of a number is what? What is the number? X. So 3 upon 4 of X plus 3 is equals to 21. So 3 upon 4 of X means what? 3 into X is what? 3X upon 4 plus 3 equals to 21. Now, what I have to do? I have to remove this plus 3. For that, what I have to do? Minus 3 to both the side. So 3, so see, this 3 will be removed. So 3x upon 4 will be left out in LHS, and 21 minus 3 is what? 18. Now I have to target this 4. I have to remove this 4. So I have to multiply it with 4. The same thing I have to do it on the RHS. So this 4 will be removed. 18 4 is what? 72. And what will be left out in RHS? That is 3x. Now your final target is to move 3. So you have to divide it by 3. The same thing you have to do it on the right hand side. So this 3 will be removed. 72 divided by 3 is 24. So your required number is x equals to 24. Okay, let's move on to question number D. Now, when I subtract 11 from twice a number, what did I say in the first sum? What is 8 times a number? 8x. What is thrice a number? 3x. What is twice a number? 2x. Okay, so the result was 15. So if you subtract 11 from twice a number, this is very, very important word. From. Be very careful with this. Okay, so when you subtract 11 from twice a number, you will get the result as 15. So the first thing you will let the number be x. Now according to the question, 11 should be subtracted from twice a number. So you have to mention this first. Twice a number, when you subtract 11, you will get 15. Okay, so twice a number means what? 2x minus 11 equals to 15. Now you have to remove this 11 minus 11. So you have to add 11 to LHS, and the same thing you have to do on RHS also. So this 11 will be removed. What would be left out? That is 2x equals to 26. The sum of 15 and 11 is 26. Now finally you have to move this 2. So divide it by 2 to both the sides. So these 2 will be cancelled. 26 divided by 2 is what? 13. So your required number is 13. Sum number E. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebook he has from 50. That means you have to subtract thrice the number from 50. And after, what the answer you will get? You will get the answer as 8. Okay, so let the number be x. Now, from 50, how much you have to subtract? Thrice the number. Thrice the number means what? 3x. So, 50 minus 3x. If you do, then what would be your answer? Your answer would be 8. Now, what is the first target? You have to remove this 50. Now, 50 is in plus position. It is carrying plus sign. So, when any number is carrying plus sign, what you have to do? You have to add plus. Okay. So, you have to subtract it. So, 50 minus 50 if you do, then this 50 will be removed. The same thing you have to do it with on the right hand side also. So, this 50 minus 50 is cancelled. So, what will left out? Minus 3x. See? Minus 3x. And 8 minus 50 is what? Plus minus. Minus 50 minus 8 is what? 42. 50 is greater. 50 is greater. So, what sign it is carrying? Minus. So, I have given minus sign. Now, you have to remove this 3, isn't it? So you have to divide it by 3. The same thing you have to do it on the right hand side. So this 3 would be cancelled. 42 minus 3 would be what? 14. Minus sign would be there. Now if both the side is carrying the minus sign, then you can cancel this minus sign. Okay. So x is equals to 14. So your required number is 14. Sum number F. Ibanal thinks of a number. If she add 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. Now suppose Ibanil thinks of a number that is x. Now she added 19 with this number. She added 19 with this number, and the sum when divided by 5, you will get 8. Okay. If she add 19 to it means number. It is number. So when she added 19 with the number, and with this sum, when she divided 5, she got the answer as 8. Okay, this is your required equation. Now you have to find out the value of x. For that, the first thing you will do is you have to remove this 5. So for that, you have to multiply 5 to it. And the same thing you will do on the right hand side. So see, into 5 equals to 8 into 5. This 5 will be cancelled. So x plus 19 will left out, and 8 5s are 40. Now you have to remove this plus 19. For that, you have to subtract minus 19 to both the side. So minus 19, 40 minus 19. So this 19 will be removed. So x equals to 40 minus 19 is 21. So this is your required number. The last sum, G. Anwar thinks of a number. if we take away 7 from, again see from is there, 7 from 5 by 2 of a number, the result is 23. So first thing, let the number be x. Now Anwar has subtracted 7 from 5 by 2 of a number. So you will write this part first. See, 5 by 2 of a number. Always remember from, then, be careful with this word. Okay, so 5 by 2 of a number minus 7 equals to 23. So 5 by 2 of a number means what? 5x by 2 minus 7 equals to 23. First you remove this minus 7. For that you have to add 7 to both the sides. So this 7 is removed. So 5x by 2 will be left out, equals to 23 plus 7 is what? 30. Now you remove this 2. For that you have to multiply 2. 2 will be cancelled. See, I've done this. So this 2 will cancel. So it will left, the required answer will be 5x equals to 60. Now finally you have to remove this 5. For that you have to divide it with 5 to both the side. So 5x upon 5 is equals to 60 upon 5. So this 5 will be cancelled and 60 divided by 5 is 12. So the final answer is x equals to 12. Okay, so this is your assignment today. All the sum of question number 1. Okay, thank you and God bless you all.